Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Ekene Canada Knowledge Quest. Today we're going to solve this problem of integration. As you can see, we're going to solve it by substitution. It's a bit easy, but a bit tricky. So what we're going to do first, we're going to split this into fractions because we know that on properties of fractions, A plus B over C, you can say it's A over C plus B over C. So we can use this property of fraction to apply to this question too. Let's watch how we're going to do it. Now, we can say 2x over 3x plus 5 plus 3 over 3x plus 5. Put them in brackets. The x. So it's basically the same thing. So we can integrate this separately. So let's start with this one, the easier one. The integral of 3 over 3x plus 5 dx. Now let's use our substitution first. We can say u is what? 3x plus 5, right? Denominator here. Then the x is what? Differentiating 3x with respect to x is what? 3. Differentiate 5 is our half 0. Then the x is what? The u over 3, making the x subject of formula. Then I don't need the value for x because there is no x here, so I can just continue with my integration. So I'm going to have integral of 3 over, what is my 3x plus 5? U dot the u over 3, because my dx, I'm going to substitute my dx for the u over 3. Then it's already with respect to the u. So what I can just do, I can just take out this 3. I'm going to be left with integral of what? 1 over u, the u. If I integrate this, all I have to give me ln u. Remember, I've not finished integrating. So I still have this one. So I can't put my plus c here. So I have ln, what is my u? 3x plus 5. Now I'm going to solve the second one separately. No, remember we'll split it because integration by summation. If we have two integrals and there's an addition in between, we can separate them towards summation integration. Now, let's take the second part. We have integral of this is this. So if we have the integral of 2x over 3x plus 5 dx, what do we do? Remember, for this we have it ln 3x plus 5. So let's keep this one separate. So we can clean this part, So what do we do here? We can do the same thing. We can use the substitution and say let u is what? 3x plus 5, right? Then the u, the x is what? 3. The x is what? The u over 3, right? If I make the x subject to formula, then I have to make x subject to formula because I have x here. I don't want to have x in my substitution. So I have that x is what? U minus 5 over 3. If I make x subject to formula from here. Now I have all the things I need. I have to substitute. So I have integral 2, what is my x? Remember, this is my x. U minus 5 over 3, right? Over what? 3x plus 5 is my what? U. Dot. The x is what? The u over 3. You can see now, I don't have any other x. If you are watching up to here, it means that you like what we're doing here. Do not forget to subscribe to our page, to our channel, follow for more and comment. So what do we do next? We have to simplify. Now, when we have something like this, remember, if we have A over B over C, what do we do in mathematics? You can say A over B divided by C, which will be what? A over B times 1 over C. So invariably, we're going to bring this 3 down. So using that same scenario, we're going to have integral of 2 into u minus 5 over 3u from the what we proved earlier dot du over 3. It means that these two will multiply all this one. Then this function is being multiplied by this, and now we're dealing with mostly with the variable. So this 3 is a constant. It can come out of the integration. We can have 1 over 3, open our bracket. This can say the integral of what? If I open this bracket, I'm going to have 2u over 3u minus 2 times 5 is what? 10 over 3u. Remember the properties of fractions. Then I can close the bracket dot du. Are you following? We open this bracket here, 2 times u, 2u, 2 times 5, 10. Then this 3u's is distributed in between the numerators. So I have 1 over 3 into bracket. 2 divided by 3 is what? So I can say 2 over 3 dot u divided by u is what? 1. And put my integral sign here. Because it's integration affecting, we have not integrated yet. Minus, this is 10 over 9 dot 1 over u du, right? Because this my integration sign is going to affect everything here. And we split it, so 2 over 3 u divided by u is 1. No more, we are dealing with the variables, not the, these are the constants. We can take this out. This is 10 over, sorry, this is a 10 over 3. This is 3. Then this is, there is no, remember there is a 1 here over u. So let's continue from here. Now what do we do next? We have 1 over 3. Open brackets. Can put the integral sign, but let's put it inside the integral. This is a 2 over 3 dot. If I integrate 1 with respect to the u, I'll have u minus 10 over 3. If I integrate 1 over u with respect to the u, I'm going to have the natural log of u ln u. Okay, so I'm going to put plus c. I've finished integrating. So what we can do next is just to open the brackets. Now 2 times 1 is 2 over 9 multiplied by u minus 10 times 1, 10 over 3 times 3 is 9. Then ln u plus c. Are you following? It looks complex, but it's very simple. Just follow the particular pattern. And remember I said let u be what? 3 plus 3x plus 5. So I can say 2 over 9 into 3x plus 5 minus 10 over 9 into what? Ln 3x plus 5. Remember this one here? I want to add it to it. Let's clean some space. So let's take it up, everything up here. So for this one now, is this one, right? So we have 2 over 9 bracket 3x plus 5 minus 10 over 9 ln 3x plus 5. Then the last one for this one, plus ln 3x plus 5 plus c. So this will be our final answer. So tell me in the comment section if you have a different answer apart from this. You can comment in the comment section, because I know there may be other ways to solve these kind of questions. Maybe we can arrive at different answers. So if you found this video very helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow our page for more interesting content. Bye for now.